The objective of this video is to create a Slack account and discuss the importance of metadata. So today's video is going to be very short because the work we have to do is actually very long. When you sign up, use whatever username you want. Just make sure it's appropriate, and let's try to keep it professional because you never know how long you actually use this name. I just want to make sure some part of your name, first or last, is there for me, so that would really help me know who I'm talking to. So let's say you go with a nickname. I don't know what a nickname would be. Mr. Cool, okay? Mr. Cool is fine, but can you do like Mr. Cool dash John, so I know that it's John that I'm talking to? Alright, the way you join Slack here is going to this link. This apparently would deactivate after 29 days, so you guys got to remind me that in case we get a new student and they try to join us. So go ahead and go to this link right now. So this would give us a new way to read together and comment together. This is if there's going to be an assigned book for this course. This is it right here, bitsbook.com, and then type in the rest of that information to get to chapter 3, because today's objective is for us to discuss the importance of metadata. As you're reading, type whatever is coming to your mind on the Slack channel so we can see how you're processing information. So here's some choices while you're reading. You can make an observation, have an opinion, identify vocab, make a joke, or just be creative. Alright, this is a place for us to learn and work together. If you are struggling as to what the DOL will be today, you can post this one answer on Canvas and that'll help me grade. Okay, so we're going to be working for the next few minutes here on Slack, but in terms of the DOL, here's a quick paragraph I'll go ahead and read to you now and then answer the question, in this case, why is metadata important? So it says here, metadata can help prove or refute claims. Suppose Sam emails his teacher a homework paper after the due date with a plea that the work has been completed by the deadline but was undeliverable due to a network failure. If Sam is a cheater, he could be exposed if he doesn't realize that the last modified date is part of the document. However, if Sam is aware of this, he could stamp the document with the right time by resetting the computer's clock before saving the file. Remember how important I said the clock is to the computer? The name in which the computer is registered and other metadata are also forgeable and therefore are of limited use as evidence in court cases. Okay, so let's jump over to Slack so you could kind of see what it looks like and why I like it. If you joined by just following this link, you're probably going to be chatting in the web browser, but this is a very, very popular IRC, especially in the tech community. I myself have a desktop application for it, and what I like about this is as people are having a discussion, you could do the @ sign to speak to somebody in particular, and then they will get that notification. Next to each comment here, you can see that there's several options. There's a add a reaction. You could start a thread just on that thing that they said. Over here, share the message, so you can email it to yourself if you never want to forget it. Over here, you can click and copy the link for that, or this one's nice, remind me about this in 20 minutes, an hour, tomorrow, a week. So if somebody says something that's brilliant or very technical and you don't want to forget it, that's a good option. And again, real programmers are using this application. You can see right here when you type in code or command line information, you can format it in a very special way so it's very clear as to what you're advising somebody to type into their computer. So yeah, let me jump over here to our class. As you can see, there's no one here, no one saying anything, but Mr. Houghton is there. I'll probably need to change my picture right here. You guys could change your picture too.